Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Let's go ahead. Let's look at our jobs for today. First things first, we can see it is picture day for cohort A. So if you are coming in school today, know that we will be taking pictures. So let's go ahead. Let's look at our assignments for today. It's the week of the 19th through the 23rd, and it is Monday, April 19th, 2021. Let's go ahead and look at our jobs for today. So first things first, we have our weekly check-in. As always, you are going to go through, you are going to respond to these questions, letting Miss Walsh know how you are feeling this week, anything Miss Walsh can help you with, and so on. Alrighty. Then we have our Monday journal. For our Monday journal, you are going to go ahead, you are going to write a fairy tale from the point of view of the antagonist, or another word for antagonist might be villain, in the case of a fairy tale. So you are going to be using descriptive details and be sure to write at least 5 to 6 sentences. Sentence frames and starters are provided on the right, as always. Again, you do not need to use them, but they are there as a support if you need it or would like it. Then we have our equivalent fractions quick check. And for this quick check, you're going to go through, you are going to answer. Please, please, please pay attention to the questions. It will say find 2 fractions below that are equivalent to 1/2. So know that you need to select 2 answers. Then for questions 2, 3, you are going to go ahead, you are going to choose 1 fraction that is equivalent to the number below. And then finally, you are going to go ahead, you are going to answer these questions true or false for questions 4 through 6. Then after completing that, you have 30 minutes of iReady Math. For your math work for today, you're just going to click on the Clever login and it will take you straight to iReady. Now, for language arts this week, we are going to be focusing on tall tales. And so your job today is going to be filling out this chart, what I know, based off of what we've talked about, particularly with Paul Bunyan. You're going to start off, you're going to share what you already know, and then you're going to start telling me what you want to know about these tales, tall tales. Then for your spelling, you are going to be working with sticky eyes this week. Sticky eyes, and then you'll also see with this T-U-R-E, and our sticky eyes with S and T as well as C. You are going to be seeing how those combination of letters help to make a sh sound. And so what you're going to do is you're going to start off, you're going to be watching this video that talks about that sh sound that comes from that sticky I, so C-I-S-I-T-I, and we also see it with the T-U-R-E, right? And so you're going to go through, you're going to answer these questions as best as you can, dragging the circle to the words that have the sh sound. And so now that we've watched the video, we've heard the strategy, you are going to apply it to this slide by circling the words that make that sh sound. Then for review, you have a math spiral review for the week. You are going to go ahead. It is going to be our first math spiral review, so it is going to be talking about some of the things that we did at the beginning of the school year. So you're going to see we have some basic regrouping in these guys up here. Here we have an even or odds question. Next up we have hundreds, tens, and ones. And then we also have expanded form turned into standard form. All right. So again, we're going to start reviewing on some of those things that we talked about at the beginning of the school year. Then you have SS Grin for today. Remember, we are doing a combination of 60 minutes, Monday and Tuesday. So maybe you do 30 minutes today, 30 minutes tomorrow, and so on. All right, and then for our Zoom meetings for today, we have office hours 1:30 to 2:30, which extends to everybody. My cohort B and C, you guys have daily Zoom 12:30 to 1:30, and my cohort B, you guys are going to go ahead, you are going to have PE Zoom at 10:45 this morning. And that will be it for your day today. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, D1.